I can't always be as politically correct and as polite as I need to. All right? So let's go and get through this converse. Now remember, we talked about conditional. All conditional forms states is when we have an if, a then. Remember, the hypothesis follows the conclusion, which we label as P. I'm sorry, the hypothesis follows the if, and the conclusion follows the then. All right? So the way that we write this is conditional is P, then Q. Right? The hypothesis is first. The conclusion is second. So if I say write the converse with little notation, the converse goes like this. If Q, then P. So guess what? The if and the then don't change. If, then. They don't change, but now we're writing the conclusion, Ayana, before we write the hypothesis. The conclusion is they are vertical. So if two angles are vertical. Notice how I didn't just write if they are vertical, because what is if they are vertical? That doesn't really make sense, right? If two angles are vertical, then they are congruent. You guys see how I wrote the conclusion, if the conclusion, or my previous conclusion, then my hypothesis? Do you guys see how I did that? If my original hypothesis, original conclusion, what I did is I swapped them around. I said, now if Q, then P.
Oh, okay.
That's the converse. All right?